Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log in to JetStar credit card accounts online. So if you want to learn how you can do that, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile devices and into the URL box type in jetstar.com/cards and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official site of JetStar. Now click on the sign in link at the top right hand corner to end up in the sign in area. If you want to access your JetStar credit card, you must first log into your JetStar account. So go ahead and click on the sign in button in the pop-up and enter your email address associated with the account. If you've not registered yet or created an account for JetStar, click on the Create Account tab and follow through the prompts in order to create a new account first. Once you have an account, you can sign in easily by entering your email followed by your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password. Finally, click the Sign In button and you'll be able to access your JetStar account. Click on the Credit Cards tab to access your credit card. That is how you can easily do it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.